Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to save Revit projects step by step. Saving your work regularly is one of the most important habits in Revit because it protects your project from unexpected crashes, power outages, or accidental changes. So let's get started. First, open your Revit project and make sure you've finished the changes you want to keep. Before closing the application or moving on to another task, it's always a good idea to save your latest progress. Next, click the File menu in the upper left corner and choose Save, or simply press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. If this is a brand new project that hasn't been saved before, Revit will automatically open the Save As window. Now choose the folder where you want to store your project, enter a descriptive file name, and click Save. Keeping your projects in organized folders with clear names makes them much easier to find and manage later, especially when you're working on multiple designs. If you're creating a separate version of your project, use File, then Save As to create a copy with a different file name. This is useful when you want to preserve earlier versions before making major design changes. Finally, continue saving your project regularly while you work. Revit also includes backup features for project files, giving you an extra layer of protection if something goes wrong. And that's it. You now know how to save Revit projects and keep your building information modeling work safe and organized. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.